Accidentally blocked someone on Android and their text stopped? Unblock them in seconds and receive their messages instantly. If any part of this video helped you, please show some love by like the video and leave a sweet comment. So friends, in this video, I'm going to show you 2 super easy methods to unblock messages on Android. First of all, friends, you definitely need to open your Messages app. Then guess what? You need to press and hold the message you want. Next, go to the 3 dots on the top right corner. And then just tap block and confirm it. Now your first method to unblock messages is ready to start. First, go to your profile. So friends, first you'll find the spam and block option, which helps you stop unwanted messages and calls. Yay! You can mark numbers or contacts as spam, block them, and keep your inbox safe and quiet. Go into spam and block and open the message from the person you want to unblock. Then you'll see the unblock option. Just tap it. And voila, that's your first method to unblock a message. Easy, right? Now let's move on to the second method, which is even easier. In the spam and block section, tap the 3 dots at the top. From there, go to the blocked numbers option. Now scroll down and you'll see a list of blocked numbers. To unblock, simply tap the minus icon, and just like that, you can send messages as usual. Don't forget to like and subscribe.